Hello all, my name is Vaishali Sen. I am working at Goldenbee Global Banirghata branch as computer science faculty. Today we are going to meet two of our students who has won runners-up in the inter-school Python coding competition. We are very proud of them. Congratulations Rohan. Congratulations Saket.
Thank you.
So congratulations for your big achievement. And how do you feel now after this achievement?
We feel great. Actually, we worked for quite a long time on this. We went on and off of calls, we came on Saturdays, and we worked on this project pretty much the whole time. And I'm proud to see that it has paid off.
Correct.
So well, actually.
It was my first time, it was a very great experience, and I totally did not expect to win the second place. Yeah, he's my partner and he helped me a lot as it's my first time.
So what are the challenges you faced when you went there in the competition?
So one thing off the bat, while we were sitting down, we were restricted for a few things and access to something. So we coped up with it really well, and we got to the final product.
And also debugging under so much of pressure, the time constraints and everything. We set like milestones along the way that we were going to complete this part of the code or this function till say the first 30 minutes. But then we experienced a couple issues where the output was not being shown on the screen. So debugging all of those, and we helped each other out quite a lot. So
that's great. So it's quite a learning experience, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So as we're talking about the teamwork, so how do you collaborate among each other? Because it's a teamwork, it is only not your code or not your code. It's both a combination. So how you collaborate there and before the preparation, also for during the preparation?
So during the preparation, we have divided the work.
Okay.
So I have come up with an idea.
Okay.
He has come up with an idea.
What was the basic theme for the competition?
We were supposed to make an application or software for farmers that will help them out for sustainable this development goals.
Oh, SDG goals, agriculture development. Okay, understood. Very good. And what are the what are the new challenges you are going to face in the new coming months, and any projects in hand is something you are working on?
We're thinking of joining an international level robotics competition.
Great.
And also looking forward to getting invitations to more inter-school competitions. We will also work among ourselves for personal projects. I have personally also made an app, so I'll be working more towards that as well. I'm thinking of commercializing it later on, so everything's doing great.
Yeah, he has his own expertise in a field. I have an expertise in my field.
Okay, great.
I'm into robotics.
Okay.
I think we both work hand in hand because I am better at software, he's better
in hardware.
So we can both collaborate for robotics, and I think we make a pretty good team.
Yeah. We are very much looking forward for our team, robotics team, international level. Definitely you will get all the help that you require from school and all the resources. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, dear.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.